You said this is the biggest one you've seen, right?
For sure.
Yep, biggest one you've seen right here. What's up, family? Okay, all right, check this out. Tatvar back here with Bella. To get you in and out, if you want to just be in and out, let me sum it all up real quick. So today, Bella bought a Prius.
So did he.
Yeah, I got one too. Oh. Also today, we had a goose bridge going on.
And people got mad.
Really mad. I'm sorry. Also, Bella made over $2,000 this week.
And so did he.
Yes, we did.
There's the date for you.
So if that just sums the video up, you can just click the like and leave if you don't want to stay any longer. For those of you that want to stay longer, before we show you the numbers, let's just rewind a little bit.
Like, how is this supposed to wake me up, iPhone? Why is it so low?
Oh. What's going on? Tatvar here. For those of you that know what's up, you know what time it is. Instacart shopper, entrepreneur. Today and recently it's been Instacart. In the past it was Amazon FBA. Kind of still doing a little bit of Amazon FBA in the background, selling groceries and stuff like that. But yeah, mainly we doing Instacart. Instacart starts showing batches in the next 15 minutes. So we got to get to the store. I hired a videographer who is not here right now. I hired somebody to just call me and make sure I'm up who didn't call me, so I gotta call them to call me right now. I hired somebody to have the meals done and breakfast is still not here yet. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but hey, let's get it.
Hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts.
The lazy videographer never showed up.
He sucks.
Yeah, I know. But I just swiped the 69. Oh yeah, by the way, I just swiped the 69. Yeah, I just swiped this. I'm not joking, I just swiped the $69 batch.
Where?
Sterling. Prius gang. Oh. So, you just got here on time, because I'm about to crush this. All right, fam, so this is what we about to do real quick. I got a crazy batch. It's 128 items, 128. Yeah, let's get to it. First, we're gonna start off with the pre-shopping. This is what we always do. So we look at the order. So let me go all the way back. Boom. All right, head to this store. We're already here. Let's go. Let's look at the items. A ton of items. Let's start pre-shopping. We start off with the pre-shopping. She didn't scan anything yet. I got him. Yeah, I'm gonna bring him to the car. See that? Pre-shopping, baby. 128 items. That requires, let me get this cart and this cart. And we just got started with the pre-shopping. This cart already and this cart. When you get a huge order or a double or triple, you want to put the carts together like this. You don't need any fancy clips from Amazon. You don't need to buy anything. Just tie them like this. Boom, boom, one. Usually that's all you need, but seeing how I already put stuff at the bottom of the big cart, I need a little bit more space. Boom, come on, watch this. Take it here. Put it through here. As this go further, make it as tight as possible. Boom, and then tie it like a shoelace, so that you can easily untie it when you're done. Just pull the strap and it'll untie it. Let's go. We're actually gonna put up the Instacart screen right now and show you guys how we do this. Now she's just gonna start scanning. Let's get some of the stuff that we already got. Go to these waters.
Yeah.
Start with these waters.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing, so you got a 4 scan.
Six waters.
6 waters.
2 Cokes.
Talk.
Okay, so 2 Cokes.
2 Cokes.
Pre-scan everything you got in your cart. So we got
This is stuff that we already pre-scanned. We already found this before we even started the batch, so she's just scanning them all. So this is all we're doing right now. All we're doing is scanning the stuff that we already pre-shopped, all right? We did all the pre-shop and we put everything in here, but the cool thing about having a second cart is when we're finished with the pre-shopping and we start scanning, you literally scan and take it from this cart and put it into this cart, all right? So you're never like trying to go on top of each other. So like you take it and put it into the next cart. You guys have no idea. Yep. This is everything. So y'all ready for the final result? Bella, are they ready for the final result?
Ready.
Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo. Yo, so we had our brother right here help us out. Helping hands. This is kind of crazy. You said this is the biggest one you've seen, right?
For sure.
Yep, biggest one you've seen right here. Come on, man. Light work. The Prius? The Prius, for real? Every bit of the groceries in there. Now check this out. Look, come on. Wait. Boom. Light work. Easy, simple. Let's go. Bella in the front. We out of here. Mission complete. Hit the subscribe. I mean, y'all gotta give us a like for that. All right. Dang it. I'm super black in here. But anyways, besides me being super black in here, for the record, what time is it, Bell Pepper?
11:51 a.m.
It's 11:51 a.m. And just for the record, let me see your phone.
There's the date for y'all.
There's the date at the time. Yep. Look, I'm gonna refresh it so you guys know this ain't no Photoshop. Look, this ain't.
Here. Yeah,
Go back, and I'm gonna click it again. Boom. This ain't no Photoshop. Okay, and for the record, let's open up mine. Boom, there it is. There it is. You see the date? You see that date? Not even noon yet on Sunday, and we both passed the 2K mark for the company.
Yeah.
That's how we do it.
All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day.
I got the bread right here.
Come on the side, make you have to know it. That's the stuff that I love.
Oh,
Y'all
dang.
forgot what y'all just did.
Oh, dang.
Bring 'em
I'm
back
sorry.
over here.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We caused traffic. I'm sorry. 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 Oh my God, these cars hate us now. Look how they're looking at us. Look how they're looking at us right now. Wait. All right, now we're good. Hey, guy. Okay, I come in peace. I'm out of here.
Didn't even think that they're gonna follow y'all into the street.
Yeah, I know. That was the whole plan. That was
Traffic.
the
I
stuff.
thought there was more.
That was the whole plan. I wanted to build a bridge and it worked. They built a bridge of
They
geese.
fed 'em into the street.
They fed them into the street and we couldn't drive. They did it. Look, these are the plates. They're gonna be knocking at your door tonight.
A Latino and 2 Blackicans.
Oh God. So yeah, we're back. So that pretty much sums it all up. Let's just show numbers really quick. Let's just show numbers really fast. Let's just do that. Let's get that out the way.
Yeah.
Let's get that out the way. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know how I get. For those of you that have been with me since day one, y'all know how I get sometimes. And this is one of those times. The weekly earnings for the company right here. This goes into our business. This is my weekly earnings. Show yours that go into the business. Zoom. Focus up. Focus up. That's over what? That's over $4,200 in a week. In a week.
Yeah.
Over $4,200. All right. How we did that? Last time I said just go watch the other video. This time I'm gonna say it again. You can go watch the other video. But long story short, guys, you just gotta manipulate the algorithm. I don't wanna make this video extra long by explaining that again. That's why I say go watch the other video. Also, I just seen a comment for somebody that says Instacart does not pay businesses. Though that is also false because, yeah, Instacart pays our business. You gotta jump through a few hoops though. You gotta contact the legal team. You gotta give them your EIN number. You gotta give them the certificate of good standards. They gotta sign, you gotta sign, the owners, and boom, boom, bang, bang, bang. Then next thing you know, oh, also you gotta give them, did I say EIN? You gotta give them your EIN. You have to have a business bank account. And then all that, once you get all that done, then they deposit the money to your business. And then at the end of the year, they send a tax form to your company, to your business. That's how it works.
Yeah.
I mean, I really don't want to make this a long video. Yeah, 4,200 for the week. So for those of you guys that said it's impossible to make these numbers still,
And we did it on command. Y'all said those 2,000 was months ago, a year ago. All right. But
we're just showing you guys this so you guys can do it. To show you, to give everybody the juice to get out there and get this money. I mean, listen, no, you don't need a college degree. You know what I'm saying? You don't need any form of education, really. But well, you need to know how to
read.
You need to know how to read. You need a license and drive. But anyways, besides that, you can literally make $2,000 plus a week. Easy. It's not hard. This is not hard work. It's just a lot of work. That's all.
Yeah.
That's all. It's just a lot. Putting a lot of apples into a lot of bags. That's about it. So that being said, fam, we are going to wrap this up. It was peace and love as always. Until the next one. You tell me we out. You tell me.
We out.